No matter what I do, I still feel you coming back to me. And I know that you never heal. So before I say goodbye, will you do one last thing for me? Be happy and take it to the moon for me. Take me like you promised me. Say you love her every time, like how you told me the last time. Someday I know we'll meet again in heaven by the rainbow's end, and I only wish you happiness until